I'm about to share with you the top 3 reasons you should know to get your home sold fast and for top dollars. I'm Tony from the Tony and Lady Real Estate team, and we'll help people sell their home fast for top dollars with at least amount of hassle. Before I get started, stay tuned for the end of this video where you can get an opportunity to order a free report entitled 27 Valuable Tips You Should Know to Get Your Home Sold Fast and for Top Dollars. Because your home may be your largest asset, selling it is probably one of the most important decisions you'll make in your life. Reason number 1 is to understand why you are selling your home. Your motivation to sell is the determining factor as to how you will approach the process. It affects everything from what you set your asking price as to how much time, money, and efforts you are willing to invest to prepare your home for sale. For example, if your goal is quick sale, this would determine one approach. If you want to maximize your profit, the sales process might take longer than determining a different approach. Reason number 2 is keep the reason or reasons you are selling to yourself. The reason or reasons you are selling your home will affect the way you negotiate its sales. By keeping this to yourself, you do not provide ammunition to your prospective buyers. For example, should they learn that you must move quickly, you could be placed at a disadvantage in the negotiation on the process. When asked, simply say that your housing needs have changed. Remember, the reason or reasons you are selling is only for you to know. Reason number 3 is before setting a price, do your homework. When you set your price, you make buyers aware of the absolute maximum they must pay for your home. As a seller, you will want to hit a selling price as close to the list price as possible. If you start out too high, you run the risk of not being taken seriously by buyers and their agents, and pricing too low can result in selling for much less than you were hoping for. As promised, if you'd like to get your free report on 27 valuable tips you should know to get your home sold fast and for top dollars, please click the link below. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. We'd also like your comments. If you would like to talk to us directly to discuss how to get your home sold fast and for top dollars with at least amount of hassle, give us a call at 647-886-6874. We look forward to hearing from you.